My name is Angela Hamilton, and I'm going to give tips on how to care for your weave, when to retighten, and how to just have your best look and wear it as long as you can before you get it redone, a whole redo. And normally I like to tighten within a month. I don't like to go past 3 months for a tighten. I think you have to be careful with the hair tangling and matting in between the braids, or because you're going to be shedding a lot of hair, and it's just natural. It's a natural process. You shed like 50 to 100 hairs per day naturally, and so the hair will start to tangle up inside of the dead hair, which is coming from your scalp onto the cornrows, and so after a while it will just mat up. But so that's why we don't really recommend after 3 months, but in between there, you can get it tightened at least 3 times within 3 months.